So I'm in the middle of getting ready for Christmas, pulling out all my decorations, having my husband go up in the attic and get everything down. And then I realized, Anissa, you haven't even shown them the living room and dining room makeover. So if y'all have been following me on my YouTube shorts or over on my Instagram page, then you know that I have been making over my living room and dining room area. But I realized I have never shown you guys the final reveal. So that is exactly what we're going to do today. So these pictures are just to show you guys the living room and dining room before this makeover. So when we first purchased the house, we did the whole area in farmhouse style, but I updated my living room a couple of years ago. But as you can see, the dining room was still a farmhouse. This is the only picture that I had before this makeover, and we just took this photo when we sold the dining room set on Facebook Marketplace. But as y'all can see, it is old and outdated and just time for an upgrade. So we started our furniture hunting at Haverty's, and we went here because we got our previous furniture from there and we were hoping to find some good deals, but they really didn't have much when we went in. We saw a couple of things we liked, but they were out of our price range. So then we headed over to IKEA, where we also saw quite a few things that were interesting. They were very modern and up to date, and we liked that. I actually saw this chair here that Antonio looked really good in. I thought it was perfect for his size and stature, but again, didn't really find anything that we loved. And it was kind of hard to stay on task because when you got a husband that loves to shop. Really? And why are you smiling? We came here to look at a couch, just came in the front door. You've already grabbed how many items?
Just one.
So once I got him out of IKEA, I remember this place called Victor's that we had gone to before. Victor is a consignment seller. So this place is actually like a grocery store on one side, and then he has a warehouse full of scratch and dent furniture on the other side. We hit the jackpot here. Now, again, his things are scratch and dent, but they are from top companies like Ashley, Lulu in Georgia. We were able to get our coffee table and then also our dining room buffet from here for a fraction of the price. Our dining room buffet was originally from Lulu in Georgia at a price of $2,900. We were able to get it from him for $800. The only thing that was wrong with it is that it was just missing a couple of knobs. So as you can see, he has great quality items. He has real marble in here. I would definitely suggest for you all to stop by if you're looking for great quality furniture at a discounted price. I'll have his address listed here for any of you that are in the Jacksonville area that are interested. Now, we have been waiting over a month for our furniture. I'm excited. Today is the day. We ended up finding our couches and dining room set from a company here in Jacksonville called Jack's Furniture Co. They're located on Atlantic Boulevard. They have great customer service. They have great options there as well. But we did have to wait a month for everything to come in and be delivered. All right, furniture has been delivered. I have a lot of work to do because, y'all know, just the furniture is the furniture, but we still got to put in the decor. We got to make it our own. But so far, I am loving it. We've definitely changed the style up. Definitely switched the style up. We were all farmhouse up in here, but those days are over. Y'all, the most difficult part of this whole makeover has been trying to find a rug. I don't know why. Normally, it's not that hard. I look, I see something I like, and that's it. But this time, it has been really difficult. I have shopped everywhere. Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, Wayfair, everywhere. But I finally settled on one that I found on Amazon, and it just came. And I'm nervous. I checked brown. It says brown, but for whatever reason, this is giving a pinkish tint. I don't know if y'all can tell on camera, but it's giving pink. So fingers crossed. Let's just hope I won't have to return it. hopefully it looks really nice once I get it down, but I don't have much faith. We're just gonna wrap it up. It's not gonna work. This is giving very much so pinkish hues. I don't know why it's doing that. I really want the couch to stand out as far as the color because it is white or cream, and this just makes it look no. Finally, y'all, it was beyond time for this light to go. We have changed all the lights, almost all the lights in this house except this one. I am not sad to see it go. Now, so this is the new light. She is so pretty. Found this one right on Amazon. Of course, I'll have it linked for y'all below, but we're about to put her up, and maybe we should go get lights. So that is it. I absolutely love it. I finally feel like we are cohesive in this space. So you guys know I changed my living room a couple of years ago to a more modern style, but my dining room was still very much farmhouse. And because this is an open concept area, it was just not cohesive at all. But now I feel like we have a luxurious, modern, cohesive look, and I am just really enjoying it so much. So everything is not quite done. We still have some final details to work on. I still have to find an area rug for my living room and also some stems and stuff to go on my vessels. But it's time to decorate for Christmas anyway, so we're just going to be putting decor there. So that stuff will just have to wait until the new year. If you guys enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up and be sure to come along because we will be doing vlogmas here on this channel, but we're doing it different. I'm just going to be doing weekly vlogs to kind of show you guys a behind the scene of what's going on during the Christmas season here over on Niecy Does It. And then at the beginning of next week, look out for my Christmas home tour video. I have that coming up. I'm so excited to get all the decorations in place and show you guys how everything turned out. So thank you guys so much for joining me on this video, and I will see you on the next one.